today is. It's the day you're budgeting. The day you're budgeting. No. Okay, let's try this again. I literally just recorded this entire video and then my computer crashed and the screen recording was not saved. Anyways, we are back with our September budget. This is my first check of the month. Some of y'all might have had y'all first check last week. Mine is coming this week. So this week I need to make sure, or this budget sheet, I need to make sure focuses on anything that is due between today, September 9th, and September 23rd, which is when I get paid again. I was not expecting any rollover from last week or from last cycle, but I did actually have some left over. I had $13 left over. It was actually $13.17. My paycheck this cycle was $12.79.84. As I said last time, I automatically get a percentage of my paycheck pushed to my savings, and then of course they take out everything for healthcare and all of that. I'm not gonna count paycheck 2 yet, but I will be babysitting next week and I am expecting to make at least $300 out of that. I also started another job, but we get paid once a month at the end of the month, so that don't even concern anything right now. My bills this cycle are the IRS. I have Georgia tax, and I know for a fact both of those are due on the 10th. I also have my Sculpt You membership. I think it's due on the 11th, and that's $22. Georgia tax is $36.66 and the IRS is $250. I have Thematic. I have Canva. Typically I would have the gym in this cycle, but I just changed gyms, and so that's gonna be a little bit later. And then I have half rent also. Of course, rent is due on the 1st. Internet is due on the 12th, I believe. When is Canva due? Canva's due on the 13th. And Thematic is also due on the 12th. Internet is $39.72, Thematic is $7.99, and Canva is $12.99. And of course, I like to do half of my rent during my checks. I spoke on that in the last video. Half of my rent is $437.50. I'm just gonna go and take a look and make sure that I have everything correct. I have my Georgia tax, IRS, this Sculpt You we don't have to worry about anymore. I'm actually gonna fill that in blank until I get to it again. This Sculpt You we do have, and I put that on there. We have our internet, Thematic, Canva, the gym I need to move up, and then everything else is after that. So this is what we have so far. We have $806 in bills due, and once I babysit, I will have $773 left over. But let's just say that I don't babysit, and to play it safe, I'm gonna push all of these over to the side. And right now, I'm just gonna work with this $486.19. When it comes to budgeting, I like to use the money that I know is gonna be in my account for a fact. Babysitting could change from here in the time that I'm supposed to go. You know, the kids could get sick, she can cancel, it's whatever. So I'm not gonna like put that money towards anything important, because if I don't have it at the end of the day, but I'm saying like, oh, I could use that for gas or something, I'm gonna be down bad. Hey. For groceries, this looks crazy as zero, but I have a lot of food that I need to get rid of and eat on, and I am having a work trip in the near future, so I don't really need to go grocery shopping. It doesn't make sense to me to go grocery shopping and then to go out of town. I'm gonna say that I need $25 for gas. My tank is pretty good right now, but I know that I'm gonna have to drive like to airport parking, and then I'm gonna have to go drive to babysit. So I'm gonna keep that in the tuck just for a minute. Eating out, I wanna eat out today. I'm gonna keep it little with myself. I wanna eat out today. And I know that I am going on a date with Ashton this weekend, and I said I would pay, so I'm gonna add that in also. Anything else? Let me force myself to eat at home. Let's just say $125 for safety, but we're gonna keep an eye on it. Personal, I don't need anything right now. I feel like last check cycle, I re-upped on deodorant, so I was on my couponing, so I still have toothpaste, all that, paper towels, toilet paper. We have all of that. Do I need anything else? I don't think so. Entertainment, since I'm paying for dinner, Ashton's gonna pay for the like activity that we're doing, so I don't really have to worry about that. Miscellaneous, I'm gonna put at zero right now, but I'm gonna be a little flexible with that because I'm not sure what I want to do with that yet. Then I realized eating out looks low, even though I said that I am like doing work travel and stuff. Any work travel that I do, I have another credit card specifically that like I only use it for work stuff. So I don't even count it because we get reimbursed for it. It's like, it doesn't really make sense to take that out of my actual account. We're gonna shift this over for the sake of our budget. And with that, we have $336.19 to play with. $125 sounds so low, or $150 sounds so low for our variable expenses, but we're gonna rock with it. For what's left, I actually want to get one of my credit card balances down. I think it's the Quicksilver one. So I'm gonna pay $200 on that. And then that leaves us with $136 left. That's really not that much. Maybe I should have did the other way. No. We need to handle our responsibilities. Then I'm gonna put 36. How much is it? $36.19 to the platinum one. And that leaves us $100 to put into our sinking funds or long-term savings. Again, I'm not really worried about any of these savings right now. My bank savings that money automatically goes into is what I pretty much use as my emergency fund. But if I want to put more towards that, I can. I'm not about to do it right now. Shopping, I do want to go shopping. I'm not even gonna play with y'all. How much though? Let's say like 35. I want some new workout clothes. And then that leaves us with Christmas and entrepreneur. Do I want to add anything else? Birthday, car, medical, travel, entrepreneur, shopping. I will get an oil change, but that'll probably be next check. So I'm gonna hang back on that right now. I'm not traveling anytime soon. Don't have anything planned really anytime soon. My birthday ain't coming yet. And medical, what's my medical looking like right now? And I have health insurance like through my job and stuff. This is just a little bit extra, like if you don't feel like paying that deductible out of pocket, or if I needed something and it was an emergency or something. Medical is not that bad right now, so we're just gonna leave that there. Christmas, what's 65 divided by 2? We're just gonna cut that thing in half. And that zeroed us out, so that means that we have everything handled that we need to have handled. Again, I'm only budgeting with the money that I actually have. I'm not budgeting with any of my hypothetical money. We don't want to do that. We don't want to get ourselves in trouble, not hypothetically, for real. But once that money does come through, I will have a little bit extra here, this $286.83. And so I'm not sure what I want to do with that, chat. If I want to put it towards my sinking funds, that will be a great way to like build a cushion that I kind of haven't been able to build, especially with this stinking IRS payment that I have to do every month. Okay, pay y'all taxes. Pay y'all taxes. Anyways, I hope that y'all enjoyed this quick video. This one is quick for real. Look, I'm at 10 minutes and 30 seconds right now. Last time I said it was gonna be a quick video, it was not that quick, but that's because I want y'all to get as much information that you can from me. If you don't feel like this video answered all of your questions and you have more questions, need a little bit of help using your budget sheet, wondering what you should have on your sinking funds, wondering what variable expenses are, again, I'm gonna link my video above and in the description box like last time. And I will also have a link to my budget tracker if you want it. I have this version and I have an older version that I used to use. That's a little bit, it's just more simple than this. It's simpler than this. As usual, if you have any questions, holla at me in the comments. Meet me in the comments, okay? Email me. You can email me through the Paycheck website, which is where I am hosting my budget sheets at. And I also have my email linked in my About Me on YouTube. You can also find me on Instagram and holla at me there if you need to. I'm here to help y'all, like y'all help me, okay? As always, budgeting is like any habit. It takes consistency, practice, and a bit of discipline to make it through. The more that you do it, the easier that it will get. I feel like the more progress that you will see. And again, just like I said in the beginning, don't be disheartened by the numbers that you see. If you could only put $2.01 towards your sinking fund, you are still making that work. As long as we can pay our bills and do a little bit extra on the side, we got it. I hope y'all enjoyed this video and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.